it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you tired of playing trunk Tetris every time you go on a road trip or out of town with your family? We finally had a third kid and it pushed us over the edge where all of our luggage and stuff for camping and anytime we go out of town was not all going to fit in our car. But now we have an abundance of space thanks to Gasadar's Rooftop cargo bag. This thing is huge. We went camping last weekend and I literally fit all of our camping gear in this. 2 tents, all of our chairs, like all the miscellaneous stuff you need camping, it all fit in here. So all we had to put in the car was some blankets, pillows, and our clothes. This thing comes with this little mesh that keeps it in place, and it really does. It does not slide around at all while you're driving. We even were on the interstate, and it did not slide around or shift at all. Another thing I was worried about was if it starts raining while you're traveling, but they have made this waterproof. So not only is it this really thick material, there's like a 3-inch overlay that goes over the zipper, and even the zipper is made where it's sealed really tight and the flap velcros over the zipper. It even comes with a little lock, so if you need to leave everything on top of your car overnight, you could lock it and you wouldn't have to worry about somebody taking all of your stuff. Our car has no rails or anything on it, so this comes with straps, and then it has 6 clips that clip onto the side of your car. It folds down and fits into this tiny little bag. So in our shed, it slips in with our tent stuff. You're trying to jam all of your stuff into your car and everyone's situated all awkward because they're trying to squish in. No more. Gasadar has this for you. It will make traveling so much easier and so much more comfortable. But that's just my point of view.